Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live classes. We have the recapitulation of topic. What is this? We are reading the latitudes, the different types of latitudes. We are just recollecting what is grid system, what is globe. Okay, these all are the topics we already read. So what we are doing, we are recapitulating the topic. So what actually, this is something is looking like globe, right? What is written here? The earliest globe was named Crates around in 150 BC. I mean 150 BC, like before Christ in 150 BC, someone has drew the globe. So who is the someone? It is Crates. You know, just think about, so 150, so actually Ferdinand Magellan, he have sailed around the earth and he discovered and he said that earth is spherical in shape, but long back it was decided, and that's the reason maybe this actually it is just an imagination of one artist. He have thought that maybe he has designed the globe in this manner. We actually no clue, we really don't have any clue that how the globe was designed in the early days. It was just an imaginary thought of one artist. Okay, this artist has done in 20th century, maybe he drew in this manner. Okay, we have no clue. There's so many things in our world which surprise us, because so many things has not yet been proved that this is that, this is this. Okay, we are coming to the conclusion how this has been discovered, how that has been proved. Lot of things are still going on. Okay, so here in this lesson you have already learned what is globe and how the globe is helpful. Globe is helpful to locate the places, right? How it locates the places? With the help of the imaginaries. What are the imaginaries? Latitudes and longitudes. With that we can locate the places exactly on the globe as well as on the map also. Okay, but what here is given, we have some assignments, and these assignments in a very simpler manner, and this covers the whole topic. So what is this? Let's start. Observe the globe and name the hemisphere. Observe the globe and name the hemisphere. So here if you can see here, the globe is divided into two halves, exactly equal halves, and you have to name it. What is this and what is this? Okay, this is latitude, this is latitude. And if you see the next picture, it is what? It is longitude. Okay, it's been divided again the two halves, equal halves. So what is this? What is that? Children, you can do it. If you have color pencils, you can color it and name them. Okay, you can name it. Okay, you can choose whatever is your favorite color. You can draw with this is yellow color, this is blue in color. You can do it with your own manner. So, but what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to write the names of the hemispheres. But you can color it and you can write the name. So what, just go for the first one. This is a latitude. This is 0 degree latitudes with dividing earth into two parts. So this is northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Okay, you can color it and you can write on that. The southern is, the down one is southern hemisphere. The southern hemisphere. Right. So this is latitude, the 0 degree latitude, that is equator, divides the earth into northern and southern. Now let's jump to the next one. What is this? This is again the same thing, but it's in a different shape. What is a different shape like? It's a longitude, a 0 degree prime meridian dividing earth into western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. So you have to write here eastern hemisphere, or you can write like this. You can write western okay, you can write like this. This look more clear for you. So you can color it and you can write the names. Is it clear, children? Now let's jump to the next one. Name the parallels of latitudes and longitudes and grade. What they're asking, you have to name the parallels of latitudes, longitudes and grade here. So you have here the image. We have some picture here. We have 5 important latitudes. First we begin with the latitudes. Latitudes also called as parallels, and longitudes also called as what? Vertical lines. Okay, so let's begin with this. This is equator. This is equator. This is Tropic of Cancer. This is Tropic of Capricorn. This is Arctic. This is Antarctic. Okay, this is North Pole. This is South Pole. Right? Why I'm doing very fast? Because you already know, you did so many worksheets in this, right? So you can write like that. Now here the parallels has completed. Now we have what we have to do. We have to do the longitudes. So we have only one longitude here. This is prime meridian. This is prime meridian. Okay, we have 360 longitudes, but the only one prime meridian we are able to understand, because that is very important for us to locate the places. Okay, now the next one is grid. What is grid? Grid is nothing but the intersection of longitudes and latitudes. This is the grid. This is the grid system. This is the grid. Okay, so can we find any grid here? Yes, you can see there's latitudes and longitude. This point, this point, this point. So this is grid. Okay, and what is the help of grid? Grid, with the help of the grid, we are able to locate the places perfectly on the globe as well as on the map. Okay, so with this we have completed all the assignments, all the content, whatever is written here, page number 8, 9, 10 and 11. In this page numbers you have the latitudes, the globe and the prime meridian. Okay, so that comes when you are perfect with the content, and that comes when you're reading your textbook. So read the textbook again and again, make the practice of reading, children. Thank you, thanks a lot.